this one? It's so big too. Oh, do you guys want to be put in a slime bubble? Okay. Okay, so I got my slime here. Let me make the bubble. Oh, let me move everything. Alright. Alright. Ready, set. Oh, I'm sorry, you guys. Ready, set, go. Was that cool? I don't know. Let me do it one more time. Now you have to tell me that's cool. You have to tell me. That was crazy. Okay. Okay, that was that slime. Pick up the top. Okay, this last one is, okay, so this is what I did. I had a baby pamper, right? So I cut it open, and it's like little snowy things in it. So they say you put it inside a slime, and it will make a cloud slime. But I don't like it at all. I might give this to my friend so she can fix it. There's nothing could do with it. So that was the video. Oh wait, I forgot to show you guys how it soaked. Oh, it's gonna be so jiggly when it comes out. And if your slime is stiff, put a lot of hot water inside of it, but don't put too much water or the slime will get watery and melt. Right now, this slime got jiggly. So like, if you put a lot of water inside your slime, it will get jiggly. But if you really OD on the water, like really, really crazy, it will be a fail. But that was this video, and this slime turned out to be a success. So, yeah. I'll see you guys on my next video. Will probably be again today if I find something interesting to do. But I love you all. Subscribe and comment and view my video. Go look at it. And go follow my Musical.ly, Green Eyes Rivera. But